Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can transfer files between a Debian machine and a Windows 11 machine. Now, I'm going to be using SSH, so we need to make sure that SSH is installed and enabled on the Debian machine. And then on the Windows 11 machine, we'll need to install a tool called WinSCP. That's what we'll use to do the connection between the two devices. Now I'm on the Debian machine, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open the terminal, and let's just check the version of Debian you're running. So we'll use cat etc os release. So we're running version 13. Let's go ahead and clear this. Now to check if we have SSH installed, let's try which SSH. And we do have SSH installed. Now, if we didn't have SSH installed, the command to install it is sudo apt install openssh-server. So that will be the command. The next thing is to verify that SSH is actually running. We can use the command sudo systemctl status ssh. Put in our password. Okay, let's try again. In our case, we see that it's active and running, and it's also enabled. Now, if the SSH services weren't running, we can run the command sudo systemctl start SSH, and then to enable the services. That way SSH can be started. When you boot the machine, you can use enable here. Okay. Finally, we do need the IP address on this machine. We'll need to input this IP address on the WinSCP tool on the Windows 11 machine. We'll use the command IP address. And the IP address is 192.168.1.174. So we just need to make a note of that IP, because we'll need it on the Windows 11 device. Now, if you have the firewall, or for instance, if you have the UFW or the uncomplicated firewall running, you'll need to allow SSH. You can use sudo UFW allow SSH. Now, I'm just gonna make sure I have a file here. CD2 documents. Let's just create a file here. Test file 65. Now we have a file. Now we'll go to the Windows 11 machine. So we'll open a browser and search for WinSCP. We'll just do WinSCP download. We'll go to winscp.net. Okay, scroll down a little bit. You'll see this option to download. So click on that. Okay, and it's done. The download is done. I'll go to a downloads folder. So I downloaded this before, that's why we see two files here. Go ahead and delete one of them. To install it, just double click on this. This, then click on install for all users. Yes. Accept. Typical installation. Next. Install. Finish. We have a shortcut here on the desktop, so we'll use that shortcut to open it. So double click on the shortcut. So here you have the file protocol. There's SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol, SCP. So these two are secure. You can use either one of them. Doesn't matter. Then you need the host name, which is the IP address of the Debian machine that we got, which is 192.168.1.174. The port number is 22 for SSH. You need a username here, and the password. Now, if you run into issues, you can always use the command prompt here to make sure that that device is reachable. Okay, so you can ping 192.168.1.174, and I can ping the Debian machine. So let's go ahead and click on login, accept. Okay, now you see you have two windows. This is the Windows 11 device, so you have all the files and folders for the Windows 11 device are going to be on this side, and on the right side you'll see the directories on your Debian machine. So I created a file in here. If I click on documents, there it is. Now to copy files between the two machines, or to transfer between the two machines, you just select the file, drag and drop it to the other machine, and then just click OK. Now I have the file here, and same thing, I can move a file from this Windows 11 to the Debian machine. I can select this, drag and drop, and if I go back to the Debian machine and do ls, I should see the file here. So that's all for this video. That's how you can transfer files between your Debian machine and your Windows 11 machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.